Good morning to Sir and everyone who's watching today. My name is Eddie, and today we would like to discuss about topic 8, which is limits and continuity. The first question that I will try to answer is 1a. Limit of fx equal to x approaching -4. When this happens, we can see that the x approaching -4, thus it will give us the reading of 2. This means that when x approaching -4, the answer would be 2 because it's approaching 2. So the answer in conclusion is 2. Next is Hasha.
Okay, for question B, the question asks for limit approaching to -3 from the left. So if based from the graph, at -3 from the left, we can see that it is approaching to 4. So we can say that the answer for question B is 4.
The next question will be 1c, which is limit fx and x approaching 3 from the right. As you can see in the graph here, and this question has a typo, which is -1 is -3. When x approaching 3 from the right, we use this graph, and thus the answer for C would be 6. We are changing position.
Very good. Assalamualaikum. Hello, my name is Saidatul. I will be discussing for question 1D. Well, based on the graph and based on the previous answer, question B, you will get -3 from the left is 4. Okay. -3 from the left is 4, while -3 from the right is 6. So they have different answer, and also when you look at the graph, it is not continuous, and it jump. It has two different answer. So the answer for limit x approaching -3 is undefined because it not exist, not continuous.
Okay, sila.
That dulu.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, hi guys, my name is Vishal Srinivasu, and today I'm going to discuss 8.1 limits, specifically question E and F. So let's start with question E. Okay, in question E, it is state the following limits for limit fx where x approaching 0. So in order to give the limits for limit fx 0, I need to know limits for limit fx will be less. So if you look at my presentation, I have added a condition where x approaching 0 negative. Okay, at this part, it means that 0, x is approaching 0 from the left. So basically, negative means from the left. So first, you need to know the limits for that fx function. So when x approaching 0 from the left, it will reach the y-axis, which is on positive infinity. Okay, next, x approaching 0 from the right. So again, at this point, I would like to prove to you that in positive in order to get the limit for x approaching 0, we should know the limit for x approaching 0 from the right. We have equation
Alright. Thank you, Kisha. Alright. So the next.
Okay, for question G, the question asks for x approaching 3 from the right. Yep. So as we can see from the graph, fx, the line fx is approaching 3 and is equal to this one, for equal to y 6. So in conclusion, x approaching 3 from the right equal to 6.
Alright, that's all from Saidatul. Now the last question will be Hasha.
For the last question, it asks for limit at x approaching to 3. From the graph, we can see that x approaching to 3 from the left is equals to 6, while x approaching to the right is equals, from the right is also equals to 6. So we can conclude that x approaching to 3 is also equals to 6. And that is all from me. Thank you.
Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay. Dah.
Ni hari kau. Ni hari kau.
Yeah, this is recording or still recording?
Okay.
Okay, so 1, 2.
Nari sikit. Yang menari tu. Apa masuk pertandingan menari kan? Oh ya, hati.
Kuku dia.
Aku duduk ni berdiri ni.
Ada sini.
Aku pendek. Sini.
Ha.
Han duduk macam tu tak pun.
Look at it, Kisha. Kisha, look at it. Intruder.
Minta maaf kat lu. Minta maaf. Aku tak tahu.
Aku tahu.
Itulah kami tak tahu baru itu.
Seram.